drawing those crazy lines down the side of your nose, take your cream bronzer.
Okay, so let's try out Kevin's technique. Hi, I'm Larissa. I've been a makeup artist for 10 years, and I am going to go in with this. He said he uses a cream bronzer, but I'm going to go in with a liquid one just so you can see it because my cream bronzer is too light. He just says place the cream or liquid down the center of your nose. Step 1. Step 2 is take a blush brush and kind of blend that in. And if you look like you stuck your nose in dirt, apparently you're doing it right. Okay. Take your blush and apply it down the center of the nose to make it look a little more natural. So I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. one. And then blend that out as well. Next, you do your normal concealer placement like you always do. And he gets a really small lip brush. I'm going to use this flat shader brush. Puts concealer on there. And then draws a straight line down the center of the nose. Leave the center of the nose. Okay, I added some more concealer in the inner corner, and he said the closer you bring the concealer from the inner corner onto the bridge on the sides of the nose, the smaller the nose is going to look because of the sides. On the other side, that's just stuff from the other day. And then lightly, after the nose contour is sat for 10 minutes, blends it out. Okay, so then we take our powder and we blend or apply that right over the nose. Next, we go in with our bronzer. Okay, and ignore the nose for a second. Now we go in with our powder blush. So then we go in with a dry beauty blender. The first one was damp. We pick up powder and we're going to reinforce the sides of the nose. Then take a little bit on a little tiny brush and just put that down the center of the nose. Leave it on like this for 10 minutes. And then finish the rest of our makeup and forget about this. Okay, so makeup is done, and then you take a fluffy brush and you lightly pat and diffuse. Is to take a highlighter, put it down just the center of your nose. This might not be highlighty enough. And just on the tip of your nose. So does my nose look straighter? Okay, let's bring you into some natural light so you can really see. Okay, so this is natural lighting, and okay. Will I do that every day? Absolutely not, but my nose looks smaller and straighter. Let me know if you're going to give this technique a try. I definitely think it does look straighter. This is not something I would do every single day. We know I'm a lazy bitch when it comes to makeup. Only onto something. 5 out of 5.